Hey everyone, before I start this video I just want to thank everyone for subscribing, liking, comment. We just hit 5,000 subscribers on the channel, and for hitting 5,000 subscribers I'm going to do another giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away this OBD2 scanner that is going to help scan codes that are wrong with your BMW. So this is much easier than setting up IMPA or anything like that. You can read your codes. All you need, it connects Wi-Fi to your phone, Android or iPhone, doesn't matter. There's a QR code you can scan right here for the app. The app does cost $10, but I'm going to show you some alternative apps that you can use to get the job done. I'll talk about the giveaway at the end of this video, but this product, I just want to thank TOPDON for sending me out this product. This product is awesome. I'm going to keep this with me all the time. I can also use it on this radio right here for torque, so I can get some 0 to 60 runs, get some diagnostics right on my radio. So let me show you guys how this works. And if you guys, like always, if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. So if you come down here, just start off to plug in the adapter. If you come down here, your OBD2 sensor, your OBD2 port is right up here. So if you look right up here, there's a little flap. I flipped it down. This only goes in one way. Just like that, it's now in the car. First things first to connect, take your key, put it in position 2. 1, 2. Next thing, if you have an iPhone, you're going to come down here, or Android phone, but I'm going to be showing you this primarily on an iPhone. If you come over here, go to Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi. It's kind of hard looking through the phone to do this, probably not look through the phone. Wait for it to load. Wi-Fi OBD2. Carista is an awesome app that you can actually use to code your BMW too. Unfortunately, it will not code an E46, but it will code other apps. This app is free. It just costs money to code, but you have your first week free. So if you want to code with Carista, you can absolutely do that. I actually coded another car, a Volkswagen, with it, but unfortunately it just does not support the BMW E46, at least not my year, so I cannot code with it. But I can diagnose the car. So if I go under diagnose, it says connecting to, checking for faults, make sure your ignition on, and it's normal to see lights, which you usually do in position 2. So it does take a little to connect, so let's let it connect. And as you can see, fault's 0. So if you did have a fault, this is how you can diagnose your car. You can click on what your fault is, and it's going to be like P0 something, whatever, and you can Google that, put it on the forums, and someone usually has had this issue, and you can help figure out what is wrong with your BMW the easiest and most cost-effective way. So I can go back now. I can go customize. It will not work. I'll show you. It just will say there's no customizations options for my BMW. But that doesn't mean there's not for your BMW if you're watching this channel and do have a different BMW. So if I go into here, vehicle make, BMW 2002, because that's what I have. Unfortunately, it's not supported. You can check the supported vehicles, but that's okay. I know my vehicle is not supported. So we're going to click back. We're going to go service. And this is actually going to check if all my OBD2 monitors are good. So this is how I'm going to know if I can actually pass inspection. Not just having a light on, but your emissions tests. So if I have, at least in the state of Massachusetts, you have 2 or more that are failed, that are red, that are not ready, you cannot pass. So see, right now I have 1. The catalyst is not ready, but all my other ones are ready. So I would pass in Massachusetts. But you can use this to find out if you're going to pass inspection before you actually go and waste money. So this app's really cool. It's called Carista. Like I said, it's free, except you got to pay for the coding part, but you get a week free of coding. So the next app I wanted to show you, it's awesome. It's called BMW Carly. So this is it, BMW Carly, BMW E46, and let's press connect. It does take a little to connect. I wouldn't go out and spend all that money on a BMW Carly actual adapter. I was able to read all the codes. I was not able to code the car with this because it's not a genuine BMW. It's not a genuine Carly adapter, but the adapter costs like $80, and I didn't want to spend this. I think this adapter that I have is only $20. So once it connects, it does take a little to connect, but I'll show you what you can do with it after. So it says it was connected successfully, so we're going to click OK. So the things you can do diagnostics, you can find out a used car report of it to see what has been done to the car, coding, parameters, your iDrive, if you have a newer BMW, service reset, brake reset, battery registration, all these different things you can do, even your exhaust flap. But let's go under diagnostics. Okay. This is just the light version that I have, so we're going to click OK. I don't know if I can uncheck these. Nope. think I have to check them all, but I have a feeling this is not going to scan all my modules, so let's see what happens. So like I said, it did get stuck. It didn't finish scanning them. I don't know why BMW Carly app doesn't really work. You can't really scan everything with it, but I mean, you guys can try it on yours, see what happens. Mine actually got stuck and didn't scan it, but again, it might be my car. I don't know if it's necessarily the adapter, so I would try it if you guys have a different BMW. So we're going to cancel that out, and it just says no faults were found, obviously. And you can just click, it had some issues, okay. Delete draft. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. You can do stuff like, it's not gonna let me code the garage, but I can. It's not gonna let me code anything. But if I click continue to coding, it's just gonna say check coding possibilities, and it's not gonna be able to check it. And again, it might be the car, it might be the adapter. I'm not too sure. It's not the OEM adapter. I'd suggest you guys play around with this app because it is free, just to see what it does for you. So the last app I just want to show you, it allows you to just read your trouble codes again and look at monitors, emissions tests, all stuff like that, but just another way of doing it. So let's just read the codes, and you can just click read. There is a paid version, but I'm using the free version. So this is by far the easiest way, so you can figure out what is wrong with your BMW without taking it to the dealership. You can save so much money by reading the codes yourself, figuring out what it is, and saving a lot of money. So now that you can see it found no faults, so that means there's nothing wrong with my car, no check engine lights, so there's nothing for me to find. But if you guys have check engine lights, that's where you'll see them. So now for the part you guys want to see, torque. I'll show you that on my radio. So here's what everyone probably wants to see on the car is torque. So here's torque running on it. It does connect to Wi-Fi, and I want to show you a trick. I had trouble connecting to it in the beginning, so let me show you a trick on how you can connect to it. So if you click that, let me go back. If you click adapter status, and then in the beginning, if you're using the Wi-Fi one, it's going to say it connected to adapter, but if you click this button up here, those three dots, and click settings, this is even if you're using it on your phone too, you scroll down to OBD2 adapter settings and change the type to Bluetooth, to Wi-Fi, it will work. So let me show you guys a little of what it does. So right now, I have my car on. You can see the idle is around, the rev is around 761, we'll say. So let's give it some gas. So it doesn't get the really constant jevs, but if you revs, if you kind of hold it at it, you'll see that because it is connecting Bluetooth, so maybe a little slow. So I can read my faults right on here. Click here. I'm not going to have any faults because my car has no faults right now, but can read the faults all on your car if you have the Eon head unit or any Android head unit. So that's just one perk. You can diagnose your car on the fly. You don't even need to have your phone if you just have this, and you can leave it plugged in all the time. It's another awesome way you can diagnose your car for free. And you can see right now it's taking some time. It's at 70%. So you can see, focus on it, no fault codes, press the main menu for more options. All right, so let's go back. So now we saw that we can get real-time information. Let's check it out. Rev, speed, I'm not going anywhere. Acceleration, my coolant, we can see what my coolant's at. That's pretty cool because I don't want to overheat. You can see what our vacuum pressure is, our throttle. So let's give it some gas and see if anything changes. I don't know if I don't have a throttle. It doesn't tell me my throttle's changing, but interesting. Here's what you guys probably really want to see. You can do 0 to 60 runs right on here and find out how much horsepower your car is making. So if I want to do a 0 to 60, I think you just hit ready and you go for it. I'm not too sure how it works. I'll figure that out. You can see all your, how everything's going, all your O2 sensors and stuff like that. Let me see what else there is. Revs, you can make some custom ones. These are all blank, but I really want to show you that, guys, because I know a lot of people like the torque app. We can do some graphs it can make, putting some of your computer's information in, You can get a map view of where you've gone. That's really it for this video. I just wanted to show you this cool product from TOPDON. It's an awesome product. I just want to thank them again for sending it out. They do make a Bluetooth one if you prefer Bluetooth, but I will be giving away a Wi-Fi one, and this will allow you to diagnose and fix your car without bringing it to the mechanic. You can figure out exactly what is wrong with this scanner for free if you win this giveaway, or you can even buy one. They're not much money, but I just want to emphasize how important it is to have one of these. I understand a lot of people don't want to set up IMPA or ISTA. This thing can do, not everything it can do, but it can give you the basic idea of what is wrong with your car. So I just want to thank everyone for watching this video. And to win this, I forgot to mention, to win this, all you have to do is, there's a link in the description, and all you have to do is click on it. It's for Gleam, and it's going to have you subscribe to the channel, and by subscribing to this channel, you're automatically entered to win this product. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. I have some cool stuff planned, working on getting my hands on it, so please stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.